Hello everyone. In this segment we will learn how to solve a given system of linear equation in MATLAB. Numerically, all the softwares use LU decomposition method to solve the given system of linear equations. If you don't know how LU decomposition method works, you can visit to my previous playlist which I created for as numerical methods for engineers. In that playlist, you can find the LU decomposition method, how it works to solve the given system of linear equations. In this lecture, we will learn how to solve the given system of linear equations in MATLAB software. To understand that, we will take this simple example, three equations, a system of three equations, x1 plus 2x2 plus 4x3 is equal to 3, 3x1 plus 8x2 plus 14x3 is equal to 13, 2x1 plus 6x2 plus 13x3 is equal to 4. Our task is to find the values of x1, x2 and x3. If you apply any numerical method, you will get the solution as x is equal to 3, 4, minus 2. The solution set is 3, 4, minus 2. It means x1 is 3, x2 is 4 and x3 is minus 2. Okay. So, normally in any numerical method, first we will define the coefficient matrix A, okay, coefficient matrix A, which is nothing but the coefficients of the variables. Suppose if I take the first equation, the coefficients are 1, 2 and 4, and in the second equation, if you see the coefficients, they are 3, 8 and 14. So, in MATLAB also, first I will define the coefficient matrix A, then I will define the constant matrix C, that is 3, 13 and 4. It is a column matrix. Then I will use some operator, back division operator in MATLAB to get my solution set. Okay. So, the steps in MATLAB program are, first step is to enter the coefficient matrix A, that is 1, 2, 4. So, 1, 2, 4 are the coefficients of first equation. So, to go to the second equation, I should separate the first equation with the second equation coefficients with a semicolon, okay, with a semicolon, okay, semicolon I will use to write to enter into a different row, okay. The second step is to enter the constant matrix, and the third step is to find the solution set X using the back division operator backslash. Very simple, we will get the solution. Okay. So, let us go to the MATLAB software. So, if you see your MATLAB software, this is your user interface. You will be having a command window. Okay, command window is a very important window where you will write your small programs to understand some small functions. You will use this command window to understand that small functions, and also all the outputs of all your codes. If you write a big code and if you execute that code, the output of the your program or code reflects in your command window. So, command window is a very important window where you can understand how small function works, and also all the outputs of your programs will be echoed or displayed in command window. Okay. So, then you got your editor window, okay, editor window. So, in editor window you can write your big programs, you can write your codes, and then you can execute it by clicking on the run button, and then your program is executed. Okay. So, this current folder, you also have a current folder where you can see where your program is saving, and then your workspace window. In this you will be seeing what are the variables you used in your program. Okay. Okay, so this is your basic user interface of your MATLAB programming. Okay, so let's since this is a very small program, so we will be using only a command window to get our solution. Okay, so let's define our coefficient matrix A, that is 1, 2 and 4. The coefficients of first equation, the coefficients of second equation are 3 space 8 space 14, and the coefficients of third equations are 2, 6, 13. Okay, and then just press enter. So this is your coefficient matrix A, 1, 2, 4, 3, 8, 14, 2, 6, 13. Okay, so the step 2 is to write your constant matrix. It is a column matrix. The constants of first equation is 3, the second equation is 13, and the third equation constant is 4. Okay, so now you can see your constant matrix C, 3, 13 and 4. Okay, so now to get the solution, you can type x is equal to a backslash a backslash c. Okay, the constant matrix I denoted as capital C, but in this line I have written small c. Now if I press enter, it will show me an error, undefined function or variable C, undefined function or variable C. It means MATLAB programming is a case sensitive. So whatever variable you use here, suppose capital C, the same variable you should use here. Okay, you cannot use as a small c. Okay, it's a case sensitive software. Okay, so and it also asks, did you mean it's capital C? Yes. So then just press enter. Okay, so your solution will come x1 as 3, x2 as 4 and x3 as minus 2. Okay, so x1 as 3, x2 as 4 and x3 as minus 2.